Dear viewers, you are seeing the two faces is both together.
Yes.
There is
Most
one,
beautiful
there is one,
guy.
the left one is the Usama Pracha,
Our supervisor. Yes, I am the supervisor. Yeah. Oh,
and the another one is Mr. Abu Said.
and the lifeguard in Dhara Beach?
Yes,
Yeah.
oh,
Lifeguard. He can't save any life. Yes.
really?
Yes, he can only.
Then I want to introduce one very important person and very innocent and good, honest
Very bhalo
and very precious person. This is the Shahriyar Hussain. He is our chief guest for our party today.
Chief.
Thank you. I am Shahriar Hussain. Before
And
now
now we introduce.
Now-
Now we introduce our chief guest, Mr. Mohsin. And hi Mohsin, नाम तो सुना ही होगा. Hi, मैं हूँ उसामा. नाम तो सुना ही होगा.
लेकिन मैंने कभी तक नहीं सुना अभी तक
नहीं सुना.
Look at me. Hi, this is one. नाम तो सुना ही होगा. Dear viewers, we now try to introducing with our chief cook, Mr. Nizam. Mr. Nizam, he is now making breakfast for us. We seen there is some cucumber, some
can you look this side,
chili,
please?
some dhania, and some already he cut and see now what he did. He just now try to put a towel paper in the holder. So he is our chief cook and he is our very good friend. He always help us. And now I want to introduce him with my office. This is my office. Oh, I have a call. Just 1 second. Please hold. Please hold 1 second. Yes, see, this is my chair. I sitting there. Yeah, hold this one. Hold this one. Hold this one. Hi, this is Mohsin. Now this is my home. This is my office and this is my chair. This is my chair. Yes, I am the boss of the office.
माशाल्लाह this guy है